My name is Jack Hanney, and welcome to this week's edition of The Insider. The crash in the stock market has now wiped away $10 trillion in market cap. That's $10 trillion in market cap. Unbeknownst to most, the S&P notched an all-time high just in mid-February. So this has been one of the quickest, fastest crashes in history. The only one that's been faster was in 2020 with the COVID crash. So again, that's $10 trillion of market cap. BlackRock's Larry Fink has said that the market could crash another 20%. Now, the S&P is already down 20% on the year, and so is the NASDAQ and the Dow, all three major indices. And BlackRock's Larry Fink is saying that the markets can crash another 20%. JP Morgan was the first big bank to call for a recession. They're saying the labor market is cooling, GDP is revised downward, and with this $10 trillion in market cap that has been wiped out, JP Morgan is calling for a recession in 2025. Goldman Sachs just came out yesterday and said to buy the dip in gold, that they maintain their forecast of $3,300 an ounce in 2025, and that to buy the dip in gold, that it is the single best long-term trade right now in commodities that they see. That was Goldman Sachs. So you have Goldman Sachs saying buy the dip in gold, and you have BlackRock CEO Larry Fink warning that the stock market will pull back another 20%, and JP Morgan now forecasting a recession in 2025. Jeffrey Gundlach, DoubleLine's chief investment officer, forecasted $4,000 an ounce gold, and Bank of America revised its forecast to $3,500 an ounce. This Trump tariff trade war is just getting started. He has now threatened to raise the tariffs on China to 50%. Wait until earnings start, and these tariffs are affecting these companies' earnings. I am not a certified financial investment advisor, nor do I give tax advice. You can visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com or call 1-888-301-7012. Again, that's 1-888-301-7012, or visit us at www.patriotgoldgroup.com. UBS reported just a few months ago that billionaires were rotating out of risk assets and the stock market into safe haven assets, physical gold and silver. It is not too late to rotate out of the stock market and into a precious metals-backed self-directed IRA. Call the Patriot Gold Group today. Thank you, and I look forward to speaking with you on next week's episode of The Insider.